Okay guys, so today we're in my 2006 F-150 and we're gonna replace this stupid cup holder center console thingamajobber that apparently is a very common problem in these trucks. So as you can see, this stupid little foam thing over the period of time, it just comes, it breaks, as you can see there, so broken up, and it comes apart. So we have a replacement part over there, and hopefully this will be a quick video. I'm gonna show you how to take this off and how to install the other one real quick. Shouldn't be that hard. I think all we need is like a flathead screwdriver to pop this up, and then we'll take out the other one and look at it and see how that one looks. It's probably a better quality than this thing, so let's do that. This piece is probably gonna break off in the process, but it's no big deal. Doesn't matter. I can hear it breaking already. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, just pop it off. If it breaks, it breaks, like I said. There. One more. Come on now, don't be stubborn. That one didn't want to come off. Just push that in there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up real quick. There's like a lot of sticky stuff from, I don't know, drinks getting spilled and all that stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up real quick. You can do that too if you want to. If not, just slap on the new one and call it good. There you go guys, all nice and clean. I just used a little bit of soapy water and a rag, and all that gunk came off. So let's get that new part out of the box and see what it looks like. I haven't looked at it yet. Okay. As you can see, this one is just made out of plastic. It's just hard plastic. It's not like foam like this one here. Okay, it's just plastic. All right. Now, basically, it's all one piece too. It doesn't come apart. So basically, just put it on there. As you can see, all the tabs match the holes where it's supposed to go. It's got two on each side right here in the back for these two holes here. Not two hole there, and then those right there match perfectly. And then this round one just goes in this hole right here. So let's see if we can get this thing on there, man. One-handed. I don't know. Come on now. One-handed, come on. Let's do it. Do it one hand. Come on, snap on there. Okay, there you go. Guys, this is actually better than the original one, than the OEM one. This feels like it'll last longer and pretty easy. It just snaps on there. It doesn't feel like it's gonna come off either. It's very, very tight on there. It's not gonna go anywhere. It actually looks better. I like it better. It has like a little texture on it. Let's close this. Yeah, this one is black. My other one was kind of gray, but my truck has black on it too, so it matches some of the trim on the dash and the doors. So this is good. Yeah, I like this. This looks really good, and the cup holder is black. So anyways, I don't want to make this video too long because, well, it's just a simple thing. This one is supposed to be, I found this on Amazon. Supposed to be from year models 2004 to 2014. At least that's what it says on the description. I'm gonna throw a picture up on the screen. The one that I bought, specifically the one that I bought, and you guys can, you know, look it up and see if that's the right one for your truck. Like I said, this is a 2006 and it fits perfectly fine. Anyways, guys, I'm not gonna take up any more of your time. This was just a simple fix. That thing has been coming off for a while, and I finally just ripped it off because it wouldn't stay on. And I was like, I googled it and this one came up, and I went ahead and bought it, and I'm happy with it. I'm sure it'll last a long time. But anyways, enough talking. Thanks for watching, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel, please. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit the like button if you like this video. I know that it's not the best, and there's probably better videos out there. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.